Hello and a very warm welcome to all the viewers of Coffee with Tom with me, Mandira. Today in our studio, we have the lead vocalist of a rock band called The Wishes. Welcome to our show.
Hello,
so would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. Hello everyone, my name is Bishikanta and I'm the lead vocalist of the band The Wishes. Thank you for having me here today.
Okay, and please tell us about your parents and your background.
Okay, actually I'm from Utla Unabol, and my father name is Thanaugzam Brojendra Singh, and my mother name is El Sobita Devi, and that's it basically.
Okay,
yeah.
So you were born and brought up, your schooling and everything you have done from Manipur?
No, actually I did my till 7th standard I studied in St. Joseph School in Sangai Pro. Then after that I went to Shillong, St. Peter's School. Actually from there this music started.
Okay, so recently you have won something.
Yes,
so would
yes.
you like to tell us about it?
Recently, day before yesterday actually, it was on the 18th, yeah. We won the national, the first multi-media campaign, which was held in Nagaland.
Okay.
And there was band competing from all over Northeast states.
Okay.
And we bagged the first prize.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
And Manipur, I'm sure Manipur is really proud of your achievement.
Yes, I guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did music come to your life? How did everything start?
Music was born with me, I guess. Like
Okay.
when I came to senses in my childhood, I was already singing, you know, Hindi songs, Manipuri songs. Then when I went to Shillong, I started learning how to play guitar from my seniors, and then I fell in love with this rock music.
Okay.
Then further on, I went to Bangalore for 11-12 standard. There I used to play every day in like our chapel. It was a Catholic school, so I used to play guitar there, and I used to sing all those gospel songs.
Okay.
And then I came back I studied hotel management after that. It was in Kolkata. Then during that also, when I came for vacation in Manipur, I saw the ad for this Manipur Rock Idol that time. It was in 2010.
2010?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was thinking of joining that, but it has to be in the band. So I formed The Wishes in 2010 with that. And then we won the district level first prize, and I got the best vocalist also.
Okay.
And then in final, we didn't win anything, but I won the best vocal again.
Okay.
So again, the coming year, like the next year, we participated again, and there also we won the second prize, runners up, and I won best vocal again there also.
Okay.
So it started like that actually.
So would you like to tell us who are the musicians who inspired you?
Musicians, yeah. I used to listen to this Iron Maiden, Bruce Dickinson. Like he inspired me a lot. And then recently, like 2-3 years ago, I started listening to U2, Bono.
Okay.
He really inspired me till now, actually.
So would you like to sing a song, any song?
Okay. I will just sing. We just actually released an album also.
Okay.
On like a few days back.
Okay.
Before going to Nagaland, and we named our this album Our Pride.
Okay, you have also released an album.
Yes, yes.
So please tell us about it first.
Okay.
Yeah.
This album consists of 10 songs, which we wrote by ourselves, and we composed by ourselves. And then in this, the important thing about this album is we sang 3 songs over there. One is Our Pride, and Brow and Blood Love, and Komla. These 3 songs are meant for Manipur. Like, for example, Our Pride. Our Pride is about the beauty of this Shiroi lily, which we get in Ukhrul, only like in the whole wide world, we get only in Ukhrul. Then Brow and Blood Love is about Sangai, which we get only in Gebulamjoi in Manipur.
Yeah.
So we wrote the song about Sangai also, like the beauty of Sangai.
Okay.
And then this Komla is about Orange Festival in Tamelong. It is the anthem of the festival actually.
Okay.
Last year, 2018, the Tamelong, this Orange Festival anthem song.
Oh, that's awesome.
Theme song actually.
Okay, okay.
So these are the 3 songs which we mostly targeting, because like we are singing something beauty about our place.
Yeah.
Not just the problem happening in Manipur, but something like really nice, like the beauty of our own motherland. And then the rest of the songs is about, there are a lot of motivational songs also, but it's all in English, not Manipuri.
So can we hear the few lines of the Orange Festival song?
Orange Festival.
Yeah, the song which is the theme.
How about I sing like Our Pride?
Okay, yeah, sure.
That is the name of the album also.
Okay,
so,
okay.
Okay, I'll sing one verse. As you glow now, can see quite how you're in your place, only your place. I can crawl to see your face, I can swim 1,000 miles to you. Holds up high, your existence is somewhere I'm from. We will keep you going on forever. Your holds up, even when the winter's gone, we will keep you warm. Every time we sing this song, we will take our fill. Bring on, got to say. Your body on the stage loves you, symbol of surprise. And this goal is finally breaking. Every time you stop and stay, well, tell me now. Even when the winter's cold, we will keep you warm. Every time the sun is up, we will think of you. We know we've got to say, about you now. Like if I start singing, then it's too loud, yeah.
Okay. No, we don't have any problem. You can sing the way you want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'll come down.
Yeah. So, what is your favorite part of being a musician?
Okay, that's a nice question actually. Like, I love when I interact with the crowd actually, when I'm on stage. Whenever I'm on stage, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. Like, people shouting for me, like they're cheering for me, cheering for my band members. And that's the beauty actually. I think every singer will understand this. Like the beauty of, stage, light, live sound, then the lights, then the crowd, cheering with you, like singing along with you. And the most important thing is like, I can give anything, like, I can give messages and they will definitely listen. But that is the beauty of the music, Yeah.
So what is your, if I ask you the least favorite thing about being a musician, what would it be?
Okay. Least favorite thing is, I think time, like, whenever like you don't have enough time, like, I'm also like doing business also.
Okay.
And at the same time I'm going for gigs. And now we are going for gigs like almost every week, So sometimes I find it really hard to, maintain my time.
So how do you maintain your time? What is your practice hours and
practice hours and all. Most of us are working actually in my band members. Okay. Even our lead guitarist is working. So like we had to find out, we had to like, suppose tomorrow we are having jamming. We need to, plan out everything by tonight. Like what time you'll be back from office, what time I'll be completing my work. And then after that, most of them don't have vehicles also. And the jamming takes place in my place. So it's quite far. Woodlow is quite far from here.
Yeah.
So we had to travel all through. And then this traveling problem, sometimes, we cancel jamming just because of our vehicle problems. So these are the few, the stuff which we are facing, like difficulties.
Okay.
And also, I don't know, about, if you ask me, people not appreciating rock music actually. in Manipur.
So why do you think people do not appreciate rock music?
I can see, you know, like whenever we have a concert or anything nowadays, before it was like people used to support a lot, but now I think it's coming down, you know, like there are not, like even the bands also in Manipur are like reducing day by day.
Okay.
And see, when we started off in 2010, there were a lot of bands which like grew up together, you know, but after like 5-6 years, I think they all broke up or what happened, I don't know. Nowadays they don't perform anymore. And then I think even when we are organizing shows, when some promoter is organizing a concert, if it is free, then people come. If it is like paid show, like you have to just, you know, get for $100, people don't come actually.
Yeah.
They call up all the artists, the organizers, you know, even suppose like my friends. I'm not telling them my friends are like asking me for free entry, but I found like I saw many times like my friends having those kind of difficulties. Like they call up and they say like, what time your show will start? Will come, my friend. Like I'm coming with 5 friends, so please allow us entry and all this stuff. I think they should, you know, pay for at least for the sound, for the stage. The person who is organizing that is wasting a lot of money, so is putting in a lot of you know, energy. So I think they should be very happily pay at least like $100 for a show. But see, that is the problem, and I think I want that thing to be changed by like as soon as possible. So we are really trying hard to do that also.
Yeah. So do you think becoming a full-time musician, it would be a great deal for you guys,
for your
band?
Oh, exactly. We will be full-time musician.
You will be?
Yeah, we will never break up.
Okay.
Maybe our band members might change, but I think like I'm sure actually, like, I will keep on doing this. Even if I get married, I'm bachelor, but even if I get married also, I will keep on doing this. This is my life here actually.
So what would you do to promote rock music in, maybe I would not say just Manipur, maybe globally, or what would be your contribution in it?
Now we are like going global actually, not just that is very good question actually. Okay. That's why we sing in English. We can also sing in Manipuri. I sang before Manipuri songs. There's a few Manipuri songs. I made video albums and I'm in music video. We'll
come to that, and you have to sing a Manipuri song after that.
Oh no, yeah,
after
no,
completing.
not that, yeah.
Not that.
Not Manipuri.
Okay.
No, I'm not like no offense in Manipuri music.
Yeah.
I just want to sing in English. That's how I want to spread messages. Spread message throughout the world.
Okay.
If I sing only in Manipuri, then people will understand only in Manipur what is the song about. But if I sing in English, that goes everywhere.
Okay, so basically you're promoting Manipur through your English
songs. Okay. Yes, that's right.
That's a very good thing.
Even in Nagaland, when we performed like day before yesterday, people really appreciate it. They really loved our music. They really loved our lyrics. They really loved our performances. So, and they started following us in Instagram and things like that. So that's the beauty of English songs.
Yeah. So what would you do to promote rock music more?
See, we will support the bands who are upcoming bands, and we also like planning to organize shows. Our band itself, when we have less shows, that time we'll start promoting. And when we release our album also, we promoted 3 artists who are very young, who just came up. We promoted them. We like told them to open for us, and they opened for us very nicely. And then we are planning to open a studio also in future, not now, in future when we have money. So through that we will promote.
That's a very good thing. And whenever you're on stage, how do you do you get nervous, or how do you take up the anxiety that you have? How do you deal with it? Okay,
every time till now, from last 10 years I've been performing, every time I get on stage I get nervous.
Okay.
Still today, actually. Yeah. But after singing on like few lines, after when our musician starts our intro like that, then it goes away. Like when I see the crowd cheering for us, then it goes away. I say like, enough, yeah. These people just came to see me, just came to see just came to listen to our band. Why should I get nervous? Yeah. So that's it. It disappears actually.
Okay.
Very fast. After you sing like 2-3 lines, and after you see people enjoying, then it goes away. That's the medication actually.
Okay. So if you would like to sing one rock song of your one of your favorite rock song, I would say, what song would it be? Would you like to just sing a few lines for us? Any of your favorite rock song?
Like cover song.
Anything, any song, any musician, any rock singers.
Okay, I'll sing a song from U2, actually, from Bono, actually. See the stone set in your eyes, see the thorn twist in your side, and I wait for you. Sleight of hand and twist of fate, with a blade of nails she makes me wait, and I wait without you, with or without you, with or without you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was a very nice song.
Ah.
And I would like to say that you have a very nice voice.
Thank you, thank you, thank
you. It suits the rock music.
Okay, thank you.
So my next question would be, what is there any musician that you would like to collaborate with right now?
Right now, yes, actually.
Okay.
We would like to try out like few of like folk singer, you know, and then mix it with our music. Our music is not that hard rock stuff. Our music is kind of melodic, so we are planning for that.
Okay.
And I don't know which will be the artist, but we want something who is very good with the folk songs.
Okay.
And even with folk instruments, we want to do that. And also we want to like planning to sing a duet song with any singer, female singer, who is like really good in singing in English actually. So we're planning about that.
So you're planning for more albums in the upcoming days?
Yeah, sure. We started already. We started making songs already.
Okay. If you were not a musician, what would you be?
Oh, that is really tricky.
Okay.
Actually, I have a very good, I have a passion for cooking also.
Okay.
That's why I went for hotel management.
Okay.
I even like for like 1 or 2 months worked in classy hotel, and like I was in the kitchen, and just because of my band, I quit that job. Like I didn't get any time at all. You know, hotel industry. So I think if I wouldn't have been a singer, then I would have been in hotel. I think.
Okay.
I love this hotel industry, but music was more like, so I came to music full time.
Okay. So I would also like to know, is there any celebrity musician, or I would say celebrity, that you would like to date?
I would like to
date.
Date? Oh my God.
Anybody?
Oh really?
Any celebrity that you like? Just a
like Manipur celebrity or like
anybody.
Anybody. I don't want to date with anyone. Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, really. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
Like I wasn't able to handle the pressure. Yeah, to celebrate. Like to date a celebrity.
Okay.
So I'm sorry on that.
Okay. So you would not want to. You don't have any crushes, celebrity crushes?
No. Yeah, I have crushes. I mean, like, but not date. But I like few celebrities. Like even like, so in Manipuri like film also, I like Soma. I like Bala. The way they act, they're really good.
Okay.
And then in the Hindi, Bollywood, I like Katrina Kaif. I like.
Okay.
She's really like, not about acting, but she looks good.
Okay.
And then I like Elizabeth Olsen from Hollywood. She's really good.
Okay. So what are your favorite female singers?
Female singers, huh?
Yeah. Do you have any favorite female singers?
Yeah, I like Lana Del Rey actually.
Okay.
She's really good. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know any of her songs?
Summertime Sadness. But I don't know how to sing like her. She's
Okay.
really good. Yeah.
Okay.
But I like that song.
Okay. So what would you like to tell the upcoming musicians who are trying to get into rock?
I would like to tell them that first study, then they should also go along with the music also. But they should always first give priority to studies now.
Okay.
And then if they are completed with their studies, then they should, learn. I mean, like if they want to learn professionally, that's okay. And if they are naturally gifted, then they should go. And then they should never give up. Rock music in Manipur is really tough. You go for like 2-3 gigs, then you will feel like giving up because you don't get paid or anything like that. So it's just hard work, and sometimes you say like it's enough, yeah, done. Even those moments like came to me also a long time back. I said to myself, yeah, this is enough, yeah. Only like nobody appreciating. Even before my family members also like used to say, enough with your rock music. you better sing Manipuri, like those kind of stuff. But my mom always like supported me.
So she must be proud of you that you
she's really proud of me. She used to come to my shows every year. When we performed in Ukhrul for Shirok, she came. Then wherever I go, she used to follow me actually.
Okay.
But yeah, she supported me a lot. Yeah, till today she's supporting. So I'm here just because of her, I guess.
Okay, that's a very nice thing.
Yeah.
So we'll take a short break now, and we'll be back with more conversation with Bishikanta. Stay tuned.
Sangray oil, agarwood amadi, tang fangma machal kayana semba, adugumnaba, iramdam asida puthokzaba, Rehal perfume, Aryan store, Dove, Lico store, Jason amadi, Ningthozam Enterprises ta, Fangbiragani, Aikogi head office, Hatami Nuthong, near Symmetry Road.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzi hauzik miyamna yamna pamna riba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongba da changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemogi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamal da fangbiragani, loinana order su luxury. Lengsin birao ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores anina miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong cha lobi ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture cooperative near Imphal Quarters.
Welcome back. So, Bishikanta, please
Yes.
tell us about your band members.
Okay, myself, I'm Bishikanta.
Okay.
I'm the vocalist of the band.
Okay.
Then we have Easy now, Aka Megachandra. He's the lead guitarist of the band. And then we have Bonaso, he's the rhythm guitarist. And then we have Maverick Ayekpam, he is the bassist. And we have Lamingo Kipgen, he's the guest bassist. Actually, he's like our member only. He's replacing Maverick right now. Maverick is in Bangalore studying sound engineering. So Lamingo has been helping us even in recordings and stuff like that. And then we have Chinkai CK, he's the drummer of the band. And then Mr. Kapilaria, he is the manager of the band.
Okay. So, I would like to ask you that, are you the only musician in your family, or there are any other musician, or you have a background of something in music in your family?
You can say slight background we have. Actually, my mom is a theater artist, so she can sing. She's not a professional singer, but she can sing in tune. So she used to tell me that my singings are coming from her, but nothing more than that.
Okay. So, you have started from 2010.
Yes.
So, what kept you for so long till 2018 and achieving, you know, the things that you are achieving right now and the gigs that you're doing? What kept you for so long?
Those 2000 actually when we started off with very soft music, very like easy kind of stuff like that. Then we didn't write songs those days. We used to cover songs, and with cover songs, how far you can go. Then in the middle we changed our genre to heavy metal.
Okay.
I kept my hair this long, and then we used to headbang and all. Those days were beautiful. Like we didn't care about anyone. It was like underground music type, you know. So after that, in 2000, I think it was on 2016, 15, 16 nearby. So we changed our like members. Actually, right now, just like from the start, only me and Easy now is there from the starting. Others have like some have like already like retired, you know, with their business and things like that. So when we right now we are having like all those members. We formed in 2017. Sorry, 2015 or 16, somewhere like that. We got together, and then we all had a like-minded, you know. We wanted we wanted to change something, you know, our songs, our music style. We wanted to sing for a cause. We wanted people to hear us. We wanted, you know, people to know about us, not only in Manipur but outside Manipur also as well. So we started changing our genre from heavy metal to this alternative rock and little bit of pop. So I think people started noticing us after we changed our genre, and then we started writing songs also. So after writing songs, people started, obviously they started, following us. So I think that's the reason.
So pop is like becoming the mainstream kind of music in these days. So how will you keep up with the rock that you are doing?
Pop will never dominate. Yeah, they will never dominate. Only the thing is, what I'm telling you is like little bit of pop element is there with us because of the melodic, that melodious like singing and the tuning, little bit of that. But still we still have the rock element also. So I don't think we will ever go to pop like that full time. We will be like this only.
Okay.
Maybe little bit of electronic music. Actually music evolves, like it goes with time to time. But we will always try to keep in rock section. So.
Okay. So purely, rock based music, and you'll not, mix up anything else.
Yeah, we might mix, but not entirely go to that particular genre. With the rock element will be always there. So that's what I want to say.
Okay. Yeah. So in music industry, do you feel there is a sense of competition in what you're doing right now?
A lot of competition, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe not in Manipur, but when we step out of Manipur, let's say start with Nagaland, they are so good here. They're so good. They are perfect the way they they produce their songs. I think even Nagaland has a good promoter for rock music. Manipur, we don't have promoters. We promote ourselves. But in Manipur, in Nagaland, then Mizoram, then Sikkim, oh my God, they're so good. There are a lot of competition here. A lot of competition.
So do you think you can do anything to promote? I mean, would you like to promote the bands, or would you take any step towards it? Because there are no promoters.
Yeah, we are doing ourselves. There is a good news. We signed up with a online partner called Songdew. They promote artists all over the world, globally actually. So they have a lot of followers also, Songdew. You can also check out in Instagram, Facebook. They have their own TV channels, radio. We signed up with them, Songdew, and then they are releasing our album, our 10 songs on 20th of February in all the music platforms all over the world. Spotify, iTunes, then Amazon Music, like wherever you go, you'll find our music. So with the help of them. So we thanks to Songdew also for signing with us.
Okay. So this is a general question. What is your average day like as a musician? Your average day, what you do in the whole day?
Whole day, actually I do business, so I'm not that busy also sometimes. And sometimes I'm very busy. When I'm not busy, I used to listen to music. I used to, check my performances. I have recordings, Then I also handle our Instagram. So I used to, promote our band in Instagram sometime. And then we used to meet up with my band members most of the time. Most of the days actually we meet up and we discuss things. And there are a lot of still things pending, We are shooting videos, pending videos are there. So we are planning still like how to complete it. And then gigs are coming, a lot of gigs are coming on the way. So planning out of the gigs. So these are the things which keep me busy all day. Yeah, that's it.
So do you have any anxiety, like does it happen to you sometimes to quit everything and do something else, to leave music and do something? Do you have such?
Yeah,
sometimes
it happens sometimes, yeah, but not mostly, but it happens. But I get anxiety when I'm not doing music, so that's the problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you keep up with it? Keep up with yourself, keep up with everything that you're doing right now? How do you, do the music and everything else? How do you cope up with everything that you're doing right now? Is it difficult for you or is it easier?
It's not difficult. It's okay. I can cope up.
Okay.
Because music is always there with me. So, but I'm telling you that like when I was studying outside, when I was in the rent alone with one of my roommate, I completely stopped music because I was studying. Those days I had panic attack also. Those days, like I was so like, I don't know how it happened, but it happened. I got anxiety, little bit of anxiety those days. It was like really like many years ago. Then after completing my hotel management, when I came back home, when I met my band members, when we started making songs, when we are busy, when I keep myself busy, those things goes away. So right now I always try to keep myself busy actually. always.
So did you take any kind of formal training, or was it just you are a self-taught musician, you would say?
I would say that I'm my self-taught musician.
Okay.
I have never taken any classes of my
Okay.
vocals.
Okay, you've never taken any classes?
No.
Okay, that's wonderful.
That's why I'm not that good also.
So maybe you're inborn.
Maybe.
And yeah, I would like to say, what message would you like to give to the people of Manipur as a musician?
I would like to say that we have, gone through a lot of difficult times recently and many years ago also. So now we should understand, we all should understand, we all should be united, and I think music can do that, So people of Manipur should also listen to music a lot more, and then let's all keep peace.
Okay.
Let's not, fight and create problems. Just let's stay calm and peace, and let's love each other.
And what advice would you like to give to the outer world? What would you like to tell about Manipur to the people who are going to watch and globally the show that people are going to watch?
Many people have one very same concept. Most of the people have a concept that Manipur is always in trouble. Manipur is always in burn and strike and shooting underground. People think like that, but I want to change their mindset. I want to tell them that Manipur is also a lot of beauty in Manipur. There are a lot of beauty in Manipur. For example, Shiroi Lili, Sangai, then many more, Loktak Lake. These are our culture. These are really they cannot beat that throughout the world. We have a very unique style. So people should change their mindset outside of Manipur, and they should oftenly visit Manipur. Manipur is safe now. People are really good in welcoming people. And we are good people actually. We are good people. So we will welcome anybody who comes. That's it.
Okay.
We have beauties, not only war and things like that.
I have a gift from you, which is from chinjak.com, and
Okay.
it is a lateral company of Lamjingba Group.
Okay,
This is for
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So today we had in our show Bishikanta, who is the lead vocalist of the band called The Wishes. So we had a good conversation with him, and for today we will end the episode here, and we'll be back with another guest in a new episode. Till then, stay good, stay well.